Bantayan Island Cave. This is Bantayan Island. That's it. Bantayan Island Nature Park and Resort. Yes. Ito yung place. Medyo magubat dahil maraming puno. Yes, kaya nature. Nature nga, 'di ba? Okay. Meron silang swimming pools. And then yun ang titignan natin. Kung maganda ba. Dito sa loob. Oh, they have karaoke. They have karaoke, oh. May karaoke. Function hall karaoke. Tingnan natin. Tanong natin. Kuya? Kuya? Hello po. May karaoke? Karaoke? Saan po? Sa baba. Sige po. Saan po yung may karaoke? Sige lang po. Sige. Sige lang. Okay lang.
So, wala karaoke.
Okay po. Kaya nga gusto namin kumanta. Kaya lang. Yes. Para magising yung mga engkanto dito sa kagubatan. Magsialisan. Nasaan kaya yung dalawa? Ang dami mga duwende.
Hi, welcome.
Pergy. So ito nga, ito yung swimming pool nila. Yes, ito. Oh, nice. Maganda siya ha. In fairness, nakaka-bestie. Maganda. At yun nga, yung dalawa. Kinakita ko ng langgam. Yay! We're gonna swim na! I'm so excited! Hello! Huh? They don't have Sprite?
What do you want?
Ice cream!
What do you want? You want that's for Dan.
That's for Dan?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want a Coke.
What kind of Coke? The regular one or the Coke Zero?
Zero.
Zero. What do you want, Ruby?
Uh,
What would you drink?
The Carly Shanty one.
They don't have Sprite. See?
One
See?
C2.
do you wanna eat, babe?
Small lang.
Babe, do you wanna eat something?
I don't want
I
anything.
don't. I
What do
wanna.
you want to drink? Did you get something?
Yeah.
You want an apple?
Apple.
Flavored.
Flavored. Tapos,
In can mom or in bottle?
yung battle na lang.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Oh, you want something to eat?
I want.
Okay, get some. Order something to eat. Hurry up.
What do you want, Dai, anong gusto mo, Dai? Why hurry up?
Huh?
Calamares?